Hello everyone, Secret Beach Homes here. And the other day we posted a video of this off-grid house which is for sale at Secret Beach. And at the time we didn't actually have a lot of information on it, but a lot of people reached out, there was a lot of interest in it, so I actually went by the house and met with the owners. And so I was able to get some good information, and I was also able to get some interior pictures. So I'm going to show you some interior, we'll do some walkthroughs, and then give you some more info at the end. So this is in the front living room area, and I'm sorry about some of the weird editing there. The owner was sitting on the couch. I didn't want to just blast their face out on YouTube. But it's a beautiful home. It really is. Nice vaulted ceilings. There are screen verandas on the front and back of the home. They go the length of the house. The width of the house. Beautiful kitchen, all wood cabinets, wood ceilings, hardwood floors, lots of good closet and storage space as well. There's in-unit laundry. There's air conditioning in all the rooms. The living room has air conditioning. Also, the bedrooms have air conditioning as well. So here we are heading down the hall, and this, that's the master. There's a door out there heading towards the back veranda, and then this is the guest bedroom. All bedrooms have air conditioning. All bedrooms have access to that back porch, nice big closets, and they also have ensuite bathrooms, which are very nice. Nice glass showers, and they really did a good job in this house. It's quite impressive. I was really impressed when I walked through and saw it. It's a beautiful little home, all off grid. Full solar. There's rainwater cisterns for water. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, access to the porch as well from this room. All the windows are double panes. And here you can see the ensuite master bathroom with double vanities as well. So that's it. I've got some info on it. The owners are asking $285 cash, and they're looking to sell. So if anybody wants any more info, reach out to me. Hey, are you investing in Secret Beach? Are you buying land? Are you building a home or investment property? Follow our journey as we build homes and develop land in Secret Beach. Or connect with us. We'd love to hear from you. You can reach us at our email, secretbeachhomes@gmail.com, or at our website, secretbeachhomes.com. See you in Belize.